Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 8th April 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 3 points up move at the level of 11,776. US markets have done pretty okay for itself on Friday at 40 points up on DowJones and 46 points up on Nasdaq and 13 points up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets may open in green or flat in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have delivered a great blast on Friday. That's because Indian markets took support at a very crucial level of the moving average, and this is the 10-day moving average. So the very strong support at the level of 11,559 levels. I had told you, if you had followed my support, and you would probably have made very decent profits from this. So 11,559 was a strong support for the market. And what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for in today's session? Let's look at the supports and resistances for today. So the first support comes at now the Indian markets have closed at the level of 11,666 levels. So what are the supports we have to watch out for? First level of support comes up at 11,650 levels, and 11,600 or to 11,597 levels, and 11,550 levels or 11,560, which is a strong support for the market as of now. And below that, the next level is 11,534 and 11,500. Of course, is a very strong psychological support to 11,494, and below that there is a support at 11,422 and 11,400, 11,344 levels are the levels of support we have to watch out for. And what is fast stochastic denoting? Fast stochastic, it's denoting it is at the level of 78, which means we are not in the overbought zone, we can still go upwards. And what is slow stochastic denoting? Slow stochastic is denoting it is at the level of 72. We are not in the overbought zone, we can still go upwards. But the MACD has shunned. MACD is at the level of 172, which means and exponential is at the level of 170, which means that we are not having a great momentum in the market for the market to just go up and blast itself. And what are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for now are the key levels of 11,700, which is a very strong psychological resistance, and 11,728 is a very strong resistance. Above that, 11,760 is the resistance we have to watch out for. There are nothing other than this in resistances we have to watch out for. That is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want to make money on a daily basis, I will teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis this Saturday and Sunday at 91 Springboards Residency Road and on GoToWebinar for the people who are outside of Bangalore. So click on the first link in the description below. I will teach you 3 strategies plus 1 bonus strategy which is helping me to make 50% to 100% return in just one day. That's on the day of expiry. So no one knows about this strategy. So I will teach you this strategy which makes you money about 50% to 100% in just one day. That's on the day of expiry. So there will be 4 strategies, 3 strategies which I have made, and 4th bonus strategy which makes huge amounts of money. So that being said, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.